Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RLFTF. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, yet again, another tricky day to talk about, and I talked about this on Monday's video, but the same thing almost happened today. So I'm just going to set up the premise again that, whether or not you like this chart, whether or not this chart is good or bad for you, depends on your perspective, depends on your strategy. If you're a day trader, flipper, scalper, and you bought right there, or maybe you bought this morning right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, well then no, the chart doesn't look good for you at all. But if you're somebody that cares about the grand scheme of things, then sure, there's been a bigger pullback. But as I talked about yesterday, and in fact, you just can't make this stuff up, literally right where the price bounced off of today, so 57 cents, as I talked about, as long as that level holds, then everything is still perfectly fine, which I get it can sound crazy given the price is pulled back. But I mean, let's stop and think about what that 57 cent is representing. And that's a low, there's a previous low, and then there's another low down here. So I mean, what is that representing there? Well, you have stair steps still progressing in the upwards direction. Once again, to really reiterate, I'm well aware that if you're a flipper and you bought right there or you bought right there, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's what I'm trying to emphasize, that assuming you do care about the grand scheme of things, that is going to be the key premise, is you just want to see those stair steps progressing forward and making higher and higher lows. And that's what's still into play here. Now, if all of a sudden on Wednesday or sometime the price comes down to 57 and then blasts down through it, at that point in time, no, the stair step situation has changed quite a bit. But as of right now, the stair steps are still trending in an upwards direction, and that's what you want to see. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, main level now, going to go ahead and just call it right there at the 63 cent mark. So if there is going to be any sort of, worthwhile, continuation of the trend to put in some higher highs, it all starts right now by breaking above 63 cents. But only Tuesday, still 3 days left this week. Let's see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.